Hi guys, I'm replacing my bulbs to LED lights on the tail lights. I bought those from Amazon and they're $21. LED bulbs are a huge difference from regular bulbs. In the end, they are a great choice. Just look at that light, huge difference on my Civic. Well, I bought more lights to complete on the tailgate. I'll put links below so you can buy them too. Reverse light is fucking mint too. Fuck light holder is broken, but I have some backup parts inside the house. It has been 2 years since the last time changed brake job, so it is time to do it again. Doing a brake job can be a difficult task, but it is important to do it in order to maintain the safety of my Civic. I will need to check the wear of the brakes, replace any worn components, and make sure that all necessary adjustments are made. It will take some time and effort, but it will be worth it when I am back on the road with peace of mind, knowing that my brakes are in good working order. Back beaks are finished with some TLC. I'll show you later. Rotors and pads are fucked. See here, guys. Oh fuck, it's way being uneven. Oh yeah, look, just fresh paint job I did. Well, now I do fast paint job on shock to finish the look. I put in fat cold air intake after replacing the head gasket with my buddy. That be dope for my Civic.
Few inches later.
What's up? Working on Marcus's car. Getting rid of the sale.
Yeah.
Because he don't want this bitch no more.
Yeah.
He wants his Tahoe is sitting over there that's not working.
Yeah.
Nigga.
Wheel removing intake can be a difficult and emotionally taxing process. Taking a bolt off can be especially painful as it requires a certain level of precision and patience that can be difficult to muster. It can be difficult to stay focused and motivated during the process, and it can be hard to stay positive in the face of such a seemingly daunting task.
Oh, yeah.
Motherfucker, we did break off a piece on crank pulley for power steering pump, but I don't need it because real men drive on strength.
Wanna go grab me a longer extension?
Yeah.
I'm going to send you to Jesus. Oh, yes.
Oh.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
That's the keyway. Don't fucking lose that.
Hmm.
should call and see how much new one of these is. Or look online.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't put new gasket on the head. I didn't record that.
Go. Look.
I have a redneck idea to drill out broken bolts without work more. Look here, guys, I use shitty jack to holding the drill.
Several bad puns later.
It's gonna go somewhere there. You just gotta figure out the course.
Yeah.
That added 3 horsepower.
Yeah.
But on the coolness scale, at least 10 points.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think it might be because the exhaust not hooked
Yeah.
up. Grab the scanner, check it out.
Yeah.
With